my YouTube channel. It's your girl AR back again with another lead video. Babies, welcome to vlogmas day 7. I posted a video yesterday and it was really messed up, so I'm doing this to apologize. I'm so sorry for the kind of video I posted. So what happened yesterday was because I think the editing was having issues, and the way I filmed it was all contradicting, so I'm so sorry about that. So babies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl ARE back again with another lead video. So babies, if you're new to the channel, thank you for coming, and if you're a new subscriber, thank you for always coming and giving me the love that I deserve. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I drop a new videos. So today what we're pretty working on is a cozy night, because I've been home all through since morning, so I've been really tired, and I just feel like, okay, what can wake me up if not the cozy night? So before we get into this video, we're doing a simple feminist hygiene shower routine for the cozy night. So after this, I'm going to be adding AJ to my video after a nice cozy bath with me, because I'm just tired now, so I just need to wake me up with something really cozy. So I'll be adding AJ to it after that. So we'll be doing some vlog together. I noticed how I love the one I do with her. So if you don't know, if you have an account to AJ, so hope you all enjoy this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to comment. So today we're doing little unboxing, because I have something I just want to unbox with y'all. I've had this product for a while now, but because I've been pretty busy, my mom's birthday going off and on, a lot has just been going on with me lately. I don't have time to unbox what I have, so I just feel like today I'm not doing anything, so I just feel like, okay, maybe I can just take a little time just to unbox. And happy weekend to y'all. I hope y'all are enjoying your weekend. So yeah, let's just do the unboxing. I don't know if I want to unbox it right now, but let me just show you how the product, what I'm talking about, because yeah, no, as a feminist, I just feel really into things that work for we ladies, because I'm so upset about how we treat ourselves, especially our baby girl area. Especially me, I'm obsessed with my baby girl area, because my baby girl area is a very sensitive part of me that I really don't joke with. So it's something I am so super obsessed with. So I try to get the product that works for me as my PA. So I've been seeing this online, and I asked my AI just to get me some vaginal stuff that I can use, a vaginal oil, and she recommended the tea tree essential oil, and I am like, okay, let me just get me one of these. So I did got this. I want to use it for my baby girl area as the oil for down there, because it is antibacterial, antifungal, it's good for dry skin. Also, I got me this. This is a plastic lip balm. This is a lip balm. I've been seeing this like a while now, so I just feel like, let me get one of them. It's a cherry lip balm, and I just feel like using this. We are using this true product for our feminist ID shower routine, a cozy one at this night. So babies, let's get into the shower.
Hey baby, so that is all for my cozy night, and that is all for my vlogmas day 7. I hope you all enjoy it and love this video. So I will just stay downstairs and enjoy my remaining drink, and then go upstairs to relax. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Don't forget to be you, don't forget to be real, don't forget to be authentic. I'll see y'all babies in my next video. Bye babies. Mwah.